Service in Melbourne has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Brevard County in east central Florida, southeastern Orange County in east central Florida, northeastern Osceola County in east central Florida, until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Canaveral Groves, or near Lone Cabbage Fish Camp, and is nearly stationary. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Titusville, Rockledge, Cocoa Beach, and Cape Canaveral. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor.